Creative mind, he's the king of the screen, teaching us the art, making it all so keen. From Photoshop to Illustrator, he's the guide. We're learning and growing with Creative Mind by our side.
Hi guys. Welcome to Creative Mind channel with another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a free amazing song using AI. First of all, open your browser. Now search Suno AI. Now open this site. Now scroll down and then click on Make a Song. You can explore some ideas from here. Now click on Create. Now enter text here of what type of song you want. Then press Enter key. It will take up to few seconds. And here we go. It will create a two variety of songs. You can download this by right-clicking on it and then click on Download. You can download it in audio or video format. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.